there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're putting the spotlight on 3 cottage cheese weight loss recipes. So let's get started? Wait! Before starting cottage cheese recipe video, we introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3, cottage cheese and cucumber sandwich. Let's start strong with a refreshing cottage cheese and cucumber sandwich that's perfect for a light and healthy meal. Spread a generous amount of low-fat cottage cheese on whole grain bread slices. Layer with sliced cucumbers, fresh dill or basil leaves, and season with salt and pepper. Add sliced tomatoes and lettuce leaves, if you prefer. It's a light and satisfying sandwich that's perfect for a quick and healthy lunch. Recipe 2. Cottage cheese and veggie stuffed bell peppers. For a savory and satisfying meal, try our cottage cheese and veggie stuffed bell peppers. Cut the tops off the bell peppers, remove the seeds and membranes, and blanch them. These in a separate bowl. Mix low-fat cottage cheese with diced tomatoes, chopped spinach or kale, red onion, minced garlic, and your choice of seasonings. Stuff the mixture into the bell peppers, top with grated cheese if desired, and bake until the peppers are tender. It's a savory and protein-packed dish that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Cottage cheese and berry parfait. We're kicking things off with a cottage cheese and berry parfait, a delightful and healthy breakfast or snack option. Start by layering low-fat cottage cheese with mixed berries in a glass or bowl. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup if you like it sweeter, and add a sprinkle of granola for that satisfying crunch. It's a high-protein, low-calorie treat that will satisfy your sweet cravings without derailing your weight loss goals. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Get Alpilean? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!